Okay, I always try to set like little goals for myself when I'm out birding. So my goal today is to get a fucking banging shot of an indigo bunting, which I haven't been able to do because the son of a bitches won't get off the fucking power lines here. Blue grosbeak on the fucking power lines. Good old power line shot, but I'm gonna hold up in the fucking shade here for a while because it's balls fucking hot. Ask and you shall receive. I said I hadn't seen a blue grosbeak in a while, and lo and fucking behold, it's the only bird I'm fucking seeing. Okay, this is indigo bunting. We have switched scenery. We're down by the river.
And I live in a van down by the river.
Eastern Phoebe, I think. Maybe it wasn't. Oh, there it goes. Wow. Oh my god, confirm. Eastern Phoebe. I thought maybe it was an eastern fucking wood pewee. But definitely with the noise confirmed. Eastern Phoebe